Listen and repeat.
English words and their opposite. English words and their opposite. Down. Up. Down. Up. Divorce. Marry. Divorce. Marry. Distant. Near. Distant. Near. Illness. Health. Illness. Health. Difficult. Easy. Difficult. Easy. Defeat. Victory. Defeat. Victory. Deep. Shallow. Deep. Shallow. Day. Night. Day. Night. Daughter. Son. Daughter. Son. Darkness. Light. Darkness. Light. Dangerous. Safe. Dangerous. Safe. Damage. Repair. Damage. Repair. Cry. Laugh. Cry. Laugh. Correct. Wrong. Correct. Wrong. Come. Go. Come. Go. Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot. Close. Open. Close. Open. Clever. Stupid. Clever. Stupid. Clear. Cloudy. Clear. Cloudy. Clean. Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Cheap. Expensive. Cheap. Expensive. Certainly. Probably. Certainly. Probably. Ceiling. Floor. Ceiling. Floor. Careful. Careless. Careful. Careless. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Busy. Available. Busy. Available. Build. Destroy. Build. Destroy. Brother. Sister. Brother. Sister. Broad. Narrow. Broad. Narrow. Break. Fix. Break. Fix. Boy. Girl. Boy. Girl. Bottom. Top. Bottom. Top. Borrow. Lend. Borrow. lend, boring, exciting, boring, exciting, blunt, sharp, blunt, sharp, black, white, black, white, bitter, sweet, bitter, sweet, birth, death, birth, death, big, small, big, small, beautiful, ugly, beautiful, ugly, better, worse, better, worse, best, worst, best, worst, begin, end, begin, end, before, after, before, after, bad, good, bad, good, backward, forward, backward, forward, awful, nice, awful, nice, attack, defend, attack, defend, artificial, natural, artificial, natural, arrest, free, arrest, free, answer, question, answer, question, answer, ask, answer, ask, agree, refuse, agree, refuse, ancient, modern, ancient, modern, always, never, always, never, allow, forbid, allow, forbid, alive, dead, alive, dead, against, for, against, for, after, before, after, before, afraid, brave, afraid, brave, adult, child, adult, child, admit, deny, admit, deny, active, lazy, active, lazy, accept, refuse, accept, refuse, above, below, above, below,